Welcome to 647B Pinerow Crescent here in Waterloo. We're at this great semi-detached home. We're gonna go in and take a look at it. It's got 3 bed, 3 bath, and it's close to everything you want. We're close to shopping at the boardwalk. We're close to schools. There's a great park over there. Everything you need is here. It's even got a garage. What more could you want? But that's not even the best part. Come on in, let's take a look. We're here in the kitchen, which as you can see has tons and tons of space in it. There is room for everything. You've got all the appliances you can need. You've got tons of counter space. You can make a meal for the whole family in here and still have room to spare. And the openness of this whole main floor really works in your favor. You can flow, everyone can come in, pick at what they want, and then get out of your hair. You've also got a powder room down here on the main floor, so it's perfect. Living room has lots of space in it. You're right next to the dining room, so you can easily retire into here to sit down and enjoy each other's company, watch the game, whatever you gotta do. This room has it all. It's got updated flooring and we've got updated windows all throughout. So the main floor is completely carpet free, brand new vinyl flooring down, lights brilliantly bright, and you've also got lots of light coming in from the windows to make this a nice cozy space. Plus, you've got easy entryway into the backyard. What more could you want? We're up here in the primary suite where, as you can see, we've got tons of room in here. You could fit a king-size bed easily and still have room for activities. You've got your walk-in closet over here, plus a cheater ensuite, so you don't even need to go into the hallway. You can just go right into the bathroom in the middle of the night if you gotta go. There are also 2 bedrooms that are great size, perfect for kids, perfect for guests, perfect for an office. You've got everything up here, and they're on the opposite side, so you don't even hear anything that's going on. Awesome. Down in the basement, there is tons of room for storage down here. You've got your laundry, you've even got a bathroom down here, and your cold storage, which is great. Plus, you can't hear anything down here, so you can send the kids down here, and you never even know it. You can also sit down here and watch the game, go Jays, or you can sit down here and entertain as well after you've had a beautiful meal upstairs. This is the perfect place to unwind, catch up, watch a movie, turn the lights down low, and have a great time.
Look how large this deck is right off the dining room here. There's lots of room to entertain, whether you want to set up a full table and barbecue here or a couple of lounge chairs. There's a space down there to barbecue where there's a little concrete pad set up so you can have your little patio stones and sit out there instead. There's some lovely trees in the backyard, so you have some really great shade. In the summer, this is a beautiful place to come and relax. There's squirrels, it's fully fenced, it's great for the kids, the fur baby, all of the things can be done here in this backyard.